Common English mistakes you don't realize you're making. Let's go. I'm agree. I'm agree. I agree. I agree. She is married with a doctor. She is married with a doctor. She is married to a doctor. She is married to a doctor. I didn't knew that. I didn't knew that. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. I'm here since 2 hours. I'm here since 2 hours. I've been here for 2 hours. I've been here for 2 hours. He is more taller than me. He is more taller than me. He is taller than me. He is taller than me. I look forward to see you. I look forward to see you. I look forward to seeing you. I look forward to seeing you. Let's discuss about it. Let's discuss about it. Let's discuss it. Let's discuss it. She said me the truth. She said me the truth. She told me the truth. She told me the truth. I'm boring. I'm boring. I'm bored. I'm bored. Can you explain me this? Can you explain me this? Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? She's good in English. She's good in English. She's good at English. She's good at English. I'm interested in arts. I'm interested in arts. I'm interested in arts. I'm interested in arts. I didn't finish my homework. 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 I have visited Paris last year. I have visited Paris last year. I visit Paris last year. I visit Paris last year. I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea than coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. I prefer tea to coffee. It depends of the situation. It depends of the situation. It depends on the situation. It depends on the situation. I'm looking forward to meet you. I'm looking forward to meet you. I'm looking forward to meeting you. I'm looking forward to meeting you. She's married with 3 kids. She's married with 3 kids. She has 3 kids. She has 3 kids. I didn't tell him anything. I didn't told him anything. I didn't tell him anything. I didn't tell him anything. I'm not agree with you. I'm not agree with you. I don't agree with you. I don't agree with you. He explained me the problem. He explained me the problem. He explained the problem to me. He explained the problem to me. The life is hard. The life is hard. Life is hard. Life is hard. I'm studying in the university. I'm studying in university. I'm studying at university. I'm studying at university. She's afraid from spiders. She's afraid from spiders. She's afraid of spiders. She's afraid of spiders. I'm looking forward for it. I'm looking forward for it. I'm looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to it. He said me that he's tired. He said me that he's tired. He told me that he's tired. He told me that he's tired. She suggests me to go there. She suggests me to go there. She suggests that I go there. She suggests that I go there. I'm good in cooking. I'm good in cooking. I'm good at cooking. I'm good at cooking. He didn't knew what to do. He didn't knew what to do. He didn't know what to do. He didn't know what to do. I didn't went there. I didn't went there. I didn't go there. I didn't go there. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.